Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Variables are fundamental elements in any programming language, and Python is no exception. They serve as containers for storing data values, allowing you to manipulate and work with information in your programs. In Python, there are specific rules and conventions governing variable names. In this tutorial, we'll explore the rules for naming variables in Python and provide examples to illustrate these concepts. Let's go through several examples to understand the variable naming rules in Python. Understanding and following Python's variable naming rules is essential for writing clean, readable, and maintainable code. By adhering to these guidelines, you can create code that is not only syntactically correct but also easily comprehensible to both yourself and others. ChatGPT.